Guys, two very, very important tips when it comes to a kitchen sink that's backed up on a third floor or second floor. You as the contractor and you as the homeowner must follow. Come take a look. All right, here folks, we're here at a condominium complex with common area drain. Kitchen sink here that's backed up. And it's affected the cabinetry here. Swelled up the wood. Let's see here too. So the first step we're going to do is get prepped up to extract the sewage from the sink so we're able to cable the line. All right, so here we are up on the roof. This is a great alternative to snaking out a especially kitchens on a condominium complex, especially when the line is a common area line. Going through the roof vent is the best way. So let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. We're actually right on the stoppage right now. All right, we're in unit 104. You can hear the cable that we have all the way down from the roof. So what I'm doing after we've been snaking for about a half hour, filling up the sink in 104 with hot water. And we're gonna verify if the drain is clear on this floor here. So let's go ahead and as you can see, it's draining pretty good. And a nice burst of air, meaning it's a healthy drain. So we'll keep the hot water running. Now we're going to go ahead and go up to unit 204 and run their water to make sure that the drain is actually opened up. All right, so here we are in 204. We're going to run water to make sure it's draining properly. All right, guys, first I want to show you a quick little drawing that I did here. So this right here is the larger, what we call main pipe. So this would be like in a garage. People park underneath there, you've got your sewer mains. Then this is the first floor. So this would represent the first floor's kitchen sink. So think of a cabinet, the pipe underneath, okay? Second floor, third floor, and the roof. Here's the tip. When you're dealing with kitchen sink stoppages or any stoppages in a 3-story building. So first and foremost, if you're on the third floor and you have a stoppage, make sure that if you're gonna snake, you want to snake down all the way down to the main. The problem in that video is when they did the snaking, they pushed their cable, and so what happened was they put the stoppage, they left the stoppage there. So when they went to go test on the third floor, he ran water Well, it's going to take a very long time for the water to come all the way up. In addition, if nobody's home, which in this case nobody was home for over a month in the second floor, because the second floor is the lowest point, well, guess what? That stoppage is going to rise here, water's going to come up here, and then dump over. So when the plumber was actually testing the third floor, all the water was dumping into the second floor. This plumber thinks, oh, got it, we're clear. So anytime you're snaking out a stack, very, very important, knock on the door of the second floor, knock on the door of the first floor, make sure you test. The best way to test is to fill up the sinks, especially on the third floor, and verify that you've got full flow, because the key to this, guys, is taking this stoppage all the way down to the main. When it gets to this point here, the stoppage is clear. Hopefully that helped. Thank you. All right, so the second tip is, if you have access to a roof and the vent is coming right up straight, giving you a straight shot, then what you can do is actually get your larger cable machine, like you saw in the video, and we ran our cable all the way down. We actually felt we hit that stoppage and pushed it down. Now, the reason why you want to go from the roof is, again, the larger the cable, the better you're going to clean that line. It's a very, very important tip. Now, a good way to do that is you can actually take a penny and drop it down the vent and put your ear to it. If that penny makes a sound of it splashing in the water, you know that your cable is going to be able to go in here and clog this. Or if you're trying to figure out which vent to use up on the roof, just take a penny, drop them down the vents, and if you're hearing a water splash, that's the vent that you're going to insert your cable to unclog. Well, folks, hopefully this gave you the insight on how to snake out a drain in a condominium complex. As always, thanks for watching.